If a product in your store is sold out, 48% of consumers won't wait until you get your products back in stock. They'll just order from another brand. So why are you still using bulk manufacturing? Bulk manufacturing might seem like the cheapest and fastest way to get products to your customers. As soon as someone makes an order, you have the product ready to be shipped out. And because you buy items in large quantities, product costs are quite low. But long term, you're limiting your growth by choosing bulk manufacturing. It takes weeks or even months to add new products to your store. Testing new product designs is complicated, making it impossible to react to trends quickly. You have to forecast demand, invest in inventory, and risk losing money if a product doesn't sell. If you plan the demand too low, you might struggle to catch up with fulfillment and lose customers. A smart and fast way to scale your business without making a large upfront investment is with an on-demand fulfillment company like Printful. Printing tech and setup costs, none. Time and money spent dealing with storage, zero. Plus, you can launch a product collection in minutes. And the best part? No losses from unsold inventory. With Printful, your products are fulfilled only once a customer makes an order. On top of that, you can grow your customer base without worrying about fulfillment delays. Whether you have one or thousands of orders daily, our global network of facilities works at the exact capacity you need. We'll manage inventory, worldwide product fulfillment, and quality control. You can focus on growing your business, increasing sales, and engaging with your audience. Other brands like Matchkicks, Vastitch, and Swish Embassy see the on-demand potential.